Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Alex's Adventures, and in this episode of Alex's Adventures, we will be taking an adventure checking out the American Museum of Natural History in New York City and see what this Natural History Museum has to offer. So here it is, we are inside the rotunda of the American Museum of Natural History, and let's go ahead and see what this place is all about. So here we have several dinosaurs, and let's go ahead and check out our first exhibit. So this is one of the first halls that you will see. This is a diorama of animals across the world. Pretty interesting to check out the fine detail in surrounding nature. The American Museum of Natural History is on the upper west side, across the street from Central Park. Yeah. So after that exhibit, let's check out the insect exhibit. This is one of my favorite exhibits that deserves being to check out. Here we have several information and learning materials about different types of insects and how it affects our lives. You can also learn about how they eat and get eaten. It's all about the cycle. You can learn more about how they build up and break down. This is a great place to take your kids to learn all things natural history. And I really like this bee exhibit. It's pretty awesome to see and learn what being a bee is about. Here you have several interactive displays to scroll through and learn from. And yeah. And I really like this concourse area of the museum. So up next is the Gems and Minerals exhibit. This is a hall of gems and minerals. So if you are into rocks and minerals, this is a great place for you to check out all things gems and minerals. And you can learn how rocks and minerals affect has an impact on this planet. Pretty interesting to see. We have more displays over there, and this is one of those. This is one of the largest exhibit in terms of rocks and minerals that I've been to. This is something that Chicago does not have. Not to bash on Chicago, but Chicago is a great place. But look at this rock. Here we have moved on to the Hall of Biodiversity. This is an exhibit about biodiversity, such as plants and nature. You get to walk around this these biomes, and you can read all about it, how it affects biodiversity. And here you have these wild animals, such as these tigers. And look at this, you have stingrays, sharks, sea animals that comes out of this hall that is like in the aquarium. So this hall is all about our ocean life. There are sea animals and sea creatures live in the ocean. So up next in this hall, this talks about the planet in general. Here is our planet Earth. Here you have multiple interactive displays that talks about the Earth, such as volcanic activity that happens on this planet. And here you can see where the ring of fire is and how volcanoes evolve. What we are right now on this planet. So exiting out of this hall, here you have this you have this amphitheater that looks like the Death Star from Star Wars. It talks about the Big Bang Theory, and I believe you have to buy tickets to see what is inside of the amphitheater. But here, below the amphitheater, here you have these several more of these interactive displays. So here we are in the dinosaur hall, and this exhibit talks about all things dinosaur. Here you can read all about it. And while we check this display out, look how these skeletons are formed out to be, so you can get a sense of scale of how big they are. And this also includes the sea life of these sea creatures that live in our ocean floor. Pretty cool exhibit to check out. So this is a great place to take your children or on a field trip to the American Museum of Natural History in New York City. So that's about it from the American Museum of Natural History in New York City. If you like this video, please give this video a super huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below what you think about this museum. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Alex's Adventures. And I'll definitely see you on the next one.